Imagine you're a captain of a ship sailing through a vast ocean of tasks. Without a map or compass, you'd be lost, right? That's where Asana comes in. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks on your plate? Like you're juggling too many balls at once and fear dropping them all? If so, then Asana might be the solution you've been looking for. In today's fast-paced world, productivity is key. We're constantly bombarded with emails, meetings, and deadlines. It can be challenging to stay organized and focused. That's where project management tools like Asana come into play. What is Asana? Asana is a cloud-based project management software designed to help individuals and teams stay organized and productive. It offers a variety of features, including task management, team collaboration, and project tracking. Key features of Asana. 1. Task management. At the core of Asana is its task management system. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and add priority levels. Asana also allows you to add subtasks, which can help break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. 2. Team collaboration. One of the standout features of Asana is its team collaboration capabilities. You can create projects and invite team members to collaborate on them. Within projects, you can create different workspaces to organize tasks and keep them focused. Asana also offers features like comments, mentions, and file sharing, making it easy to communicate and collaborate with your team. 3. Project tracking. Asana provides powerful project tracking tools that help you visualize the progress of your projects. You can create timelines, Gantt charts, and Kanban boards to track the status of your tasks and identify potential bottlenecks. Asana also offers reporting features that allow you to generate custom reports on project performance and team productivity. What makes Asana unique? While there are many project management tools available, Asana offers several unique features that set it apart. 1. User-friendly interface. Asana has a clean and intuitive interface that is easy to learn and use. Even if you're new to project management tools, you'll be able to get up and running quickly. 2. Powerful automation features. Asana offers a variety of automation features that can help you save time and reduce errors. For example, you can create rules to automatically assign tasks to team members based on certain criteria. 3. Integrations with other tools. Asana integrates with a wide range of other productivity tools, including Google Calendar, Slack, and Dropbox. This makes it easy to connect Asana to your existing workflow and streamline your productivity. Real-world examples. To better understand how Asana can be used in real-world scenarios, let's look at a few examples. Example 1. Marketing team. A marketing team can use Asana to plan and execute marketing campaigns. They can create projects for different campaigns and assign tasks to team members. Asana's timeline and Kanban board features can help the team visualize the campaign timeline and track progress. Example 2. Software development team. A software development team can use Asana to manage their product development process. They can create projects for different features or bug fixes and break them down into smaller tasks. Asana's Gantt chart feature can help the team visualize the development timeline and identify dependencies between tasks. Example 3. Freelancer. A freelancer can use Asana to manage their client projects. They can create projects for each client and break down tasks into smaller deliverables. Asana's time tracking feature can help the freelancer accurately track their billable hours. Asana is a powerful project management tool that can help individuals and teams stay organized, productive, and aligned. With its user-friendly interface, powerful automation features, and integrations with other tools, Asana is a great choice for anyone looking to improve their productivity. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list, give Asana a try. You might be surprised at how much it can help you simplify your workflow and achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.